What's going on? Hey, I got a little tool haul. Try and get some sun on this freshly buzzed head. I can't stand long hair in the summer. But while I'm out here catching some rays, trying to get a little tan on this up here, y'all stick around and check out that tool haul. What's going on, world of YouTube? We got Gearwrench tool haul today. First thing I got is a Gearwrench XL 120. Part number is 86126. It would be Gearwrench's extra long 0 degree offset with a flex head, 120 tooth ratcheting. They are the spline drive, so we can get that in there. Now, I've used the 19mm a couple of times. I don't know whether to say I like or dislike the spline drives yet. I know you can use them on spline 12 point, 6.8 point, Torx, square, etc, etc. I use it on 6 point. I don't know, my fault, tool's fault, I don't know. Maybe combo of both. But I had this on the fastener, on the nut there, and I actually started rounding the head off. So like I said, I don't know if it was cockeyed a little bit, wasn't on there all the way. I don't know. But I'm not throwing them out the door yet. Next thing I got were the Gearwrench line wrenches, both standard and metric. And I'm a crappy YouTuber, so I don't know what I've done with the covers. I can't find them. So I can't give you a part number. But if you go on Amazon and type in Gearwrench line wrenches, they will pop up. I got these on a BOGO deal off of Amazon. It was $57. Buy the standard, get the metric free. And I feel like it was a true BOGO, because most others it was like $60 just for the standards. And you know, you're looking another $50-60 for the metrics. Well, I paid $57 free shipping for both of these. I'm not got to use them yet, so I can't tell you whether I like them, love them, hate them, whatever. But $57 for both and free shipping. That's on Amazon. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to each one of these items straight to Amazon. So the next thing is a 3/8 oil filter socket set. Part number on it is 41890. I actually kept the cover to that one, but it's a 6-piece set. They come very well oiled, but they are super shallow. 3/8 drive. Nice little handy kit just to have. I mean, it doesn't take up a whole lot of space, and what I like is, you know, most companies, when you get something, it comes in a blow mold case. You know, they let me like the Sunex impact. You know, they could have scooted these closer together, saved us some room in the toolbox. But they actually did that with these. Yeah, they could have got a smidge closer, but guys, I think they did one heck of a job of making a space-saving case that you can actually and would want to keep them in, to keep them all together. So I want to say $35 for those. The Gearwrench 120 XP 0 degree offsets. I want to say they're right under 200, but like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down there in the description, so you know exactly where and what to go for and what to go to. Always, I'll try to put the best absolute price I can find down there. So yeah, and I almost forgot. Pick these Gearwrench. They're kind of the knockoff of the Canister, but they are the 12-inch button style, tongue and groove style pliers. There's no tongue and groove anymore. It's push button and she'll slide down. But what I don't like is right here, you really can't get it open too far, but it's got a little wiggle in there where it jaws. But it does have really nice sharp deep teeth back here for grabbing something round or more of a bolt or some sort of fastener you need to get to. But alright, I mean, what can you say about them? They're tongue groove style Gearwrench. Like I said, part number is 82162, and I will put a link down there in the description. It says it has 21 positions. Yeah, 21 positions and can max capacity 2.5 inches. So if you need to grab a 2.5 inch pipe or bolt, nut, should be able to do it with them. They don't flex all that bad. I mean, they do, but nothing horrendous. But alright, guys, that's the Gearwrench tool haul for right now. Might have more Gearwrench to come. I like Gearwrench, so till next time, guys, we'll see you. Click that like button. Well, like button's over here. That subscribe button's over there. If you want to see some more tool hauls, yeah, I appreciate y'all for joining me. Y'all have you a good one. We'll see you.